Hi, it's Lynette here. There's a wee pause there. It's kind of like what's going on there. So I'm in a kind of slightly different location today, and I have my coffee. So the coffee, you're going to be wondering, is part of my video. So I received 2 packages from my really good pal Joe. We buy each other birthday presents and Christmas presents and various different treats throughout the year. So this arrived and I was so excited. So there was one parcel, it was all wrapped up, and then Joe said to me there's another parcel on its way. So it arrived the following day, and I've actually kept the second one, which was the main part of the present, for this video so I can actually go through it and show you it, because I've not pulled everything out properly and had a good look at it. The first part of the video, my coffee mug. So this is absolutely gorgeous. You can see it's well used. I've used it about 5 times already today. So it's got my name on it, Lynette, with a little heart, and it's on the other side as well. So yeah, it's well used. I love the size and the shape, because I'm really funny with mugs. If I don't like a mug, I will not use it. But yeah, this has been well used. There was also a Bailey's gift set, which had a little glass in it, a little bottle of Bailey's, and a couple of chocolates. Well, they've all gone. So yeah, I can't show you those. And there was also 4 packs of cozy socks. So these will come in ideal because I work from home quite a lot, and I usually kind of gad about in my flip-flops, but when it's a wee bit colder, I'll put my cozy socks on, especially when I'm using the back room, which can be a bit cooler. So yeah, delighted with those. But I'm going to show you the main present. I'm going to put my coffee down and show you the main present. A little bow has come off. So it's a Sanctuary Spa. Now look at this box, isn't it gorgeous? And it's indulgence hamper. It's been sat in my kitchen in the box that it came in for a few days, and it's all dusty, partly because of Poppy, because African greys kind of have a lot of dander and dust, and because she's not been well, we've not been able to kind of shower her or spray her. I've not wanted to do any of that while she's not been well, so there's been quite a lot of dander, so I've been constantly dusting. So anyway, look at this box. My son just had a wee look at it and he said that box is definitely a keeper, isn't it, Mum? Yep, definitely. It's absolutely stunning. And inside, look how it's set up though. I mean, that is just so pretty, isn't it? It'd almost be gorgeous kind of getting it like that, wouldn't it? I'm going to go through the products one by one. I love the Sanctuary Spa range. You can get it in Boots. I don't know if you can pick it up from anywhere else or if it's just exclusive to Boots, but it's really lovely kind of luxury kind of feeling products. So the first one here is the body lotion, and it's a silky light loveliness with 24-hour moisturisation, enriched with aloe vera and argan oil, 250 ml. So the aloe vera and the argan oil will be absolutely gorgeous. Oh, looking forward to that, and it's a nice light one as well. I am going to try it. I don't mind if it had a seal on it, I wouldn't have, but and I use loads of body lotion. I got into it a couple of years ago and I did a panning project, my first one. Oh, it smells amazing. So I do regularly use body lotion. Initially, just started off using body lotion to kind of use it up. And I've been decluttering, so I really hope you can't see all the crap behind me. But I thought I'd come in here because it's kind of dark and miserable, and the side that my desk is in, and is really dark and the light's crap, and Steve's off work and he's watching a film, so I thought I'll just come upstairs and film. But I am in the middle of decluttering quite a lot. This is Cleanse Moisture Burst Facial Wash, and it's for all skin types. Now, I have never tried any kind of facial wash by this brand. I've only ever tried things like their body scrubs and things, so I am really looking forward to trying this. What a lovely set it is. And the hand cream, well, what can I say? You cannot go wrong with hand cream. I love it. I never used to use it. Panning project got me into it. Oh, it smells so nice, and it's quite, it feels nice and thick, but not thick like, you know, like it's never going to sink in. It's really nice. And there's a heel balm, which is actually ideal because I wear a lot of like flip-flops and sandals and stuff, and I always and I go about in my bare feet all the time. My husband doesn't, never goes about in his bare feet. He's always got either trainers or flip-flops, or his slides. He would never walk about in his bare feet or his socks. So when he sees like me or the boys doing it, he used to always go mental. Like, get something on your feet or take your socks off. That was partially to do with the fact that the socks got covered in dog hair. It doesn't matter how many times you hoover when you've got two big dogs, that one of them shed all the time, little ginger hairs, and they would stick to the bottom of the socks and then it would go on everything else. So he was quite right. But yeah, I do tend to wear flip-flops quite a lot, but when I'm upstairs it's all carpeted. I just walk about in my bare feet. So this heel balm, Pampering Moisture and Dry Heel Rescue, will definitely be getting used. And there's more. Oh, the Sanctuary Spa Body Wash. Sumptuous aromatic cleansing infused with essential oils bursting with jojoba beads. I'm never sure how to pronounce that, but there we go. Oh, it smells amazing. There's still more coming. And there's a body scrub. Oh, I love the body scrub. Gently refining everyday scrub infused with natural pumice and essential oils. So long lasting fragrance, 200 mils. Cannot wait to try that. And this is, I have never seen this before. It's a Sanctuary Spa Eau de Toilette. I am going to spray it. Oh, I know you shouldn't crush it. I know they say you crush your scent, but I don't care. Oh, that smells amazing. I don't know what it reminds me of. If you've smelled it before, it reminds me of something. It's not overly sweet at all. It's not sweet. It's oh, that's lovely. Right, does it tell me what's in it? Or what's giving it its smell? Yeah, I'd love to say there was a top note of this, that and the next, but I am rubbish with smells. So I just want to say a huge, massive thank you to Jo. She was kind of dead keen for me to kind of tell her what I thought about it. So I thought I would come on and I would film it so she could see exactly what I thought about it. But I will definitely be keeping the box. I'll be able to use keep it for other products as well. Make sure I put it on properly. It also has this lovely little kind of carry ribbon. How cute is that? However, I think I'd be careful if I was overloading it, carrying it by the ribbon. But it's absolutely stunning. I love my cosy socks as well. And whenever I'm having my cup of coffee, Jo, I will think about you. So thank you very much, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye, guys.